Hello class, my name is Daryl Smithling and I'll be talking about exploiting the environment. In this presentation, I'll be discussing how it is beneficial to our society to exploit the environment and the benefits we receive because of this. What is the exploitation of the environment? Exploitation of the environment is using Earth's natural resources for advancements. Example number 1. Drawing oil from the earth. Oil is used for many different things used in everyday life. They power our cars, lawnmowers, chainsaws, heaters, and many others. If it was not for oil, we would not have no transportation. All the neighborhoods would be overgrown by trees and vines, and everyone would be living in the cold. Example number 2. Taking soil from the ground is very beneficial to our society. It helps us grow plants, fruits, and vegetables. These are necessities to life, and we need soil to keep the production of these items going. Example number 3. Mining for gold is another beneficial factor for exploiting the environment. Many years ago, gold was what made the most money. It was how families succeeded. Even though it is not used as much of a currency anymore, it still has its value. It is also used for a lot of jewelry, which brings in a lot of money to manufacturers. Example number 4. The use of trees has many purposes in the environment, from the use of wooden boards and slats to produce furniture, the use of trees to produce paper products, as well as money. Trees are also used for firewood, which a lot of people still need for their fireplaces and wooden stoves. Ethical defenses. A real utilitarian standpoint is always based on what has the best impact and goes with what side outweighs the other. In this instance, where exploiting the environment is basically how we survive in day-to-day life, it is beneficial to how everyone lives. Fossil fuels. Fossil fuel usage is morally correct because it provides the most reliable and cost-efficient form of energy. Overall, helping the society thrive and helping other industries progress due to the resources provided through fossil fuel usage. Negative impacts of stopping the exploitation of the environment. Many jobs will no longer be needed, like carpenters, tree trimming businesses, gas stations, and oil companies. The cost for simple things like heat will rise tremendously due to the difficult ways needed to acquire the energy. Transportation will be scarce due to the inability to power a car or bus with no gasoline. And these are my sources. Thank you.